Hello, my name is Milvad, and today we are talking about the expectations methods. Last video we talked about the expect method in the past. Now we want to talk about the methods of the expectations and see how can use it and how work. So let's start. If you want to see or get more information about the expectations methods, you can go to pestphp.com docs and expectations page, and here you can see a list of methods. Here you can see a lot of methods you can use in pest. So let's go to use toBe and toBeBetween method. So I remove these lines. So the toBe method. If you want to, for example, in the PHP unit, you can use assert equals, and for example, you can say name, dollar name, or expected value, and the actual, for example, is the Laravel. In the past, you can use the expect your value, and also you can use toBe method, and also you can pass Laravel here. And let's run the tests pest, and let's go. You can see my test successfully passed, and also you can use expect, for example, for numbers and something else. So also, if you want to, for example, you want to say the dollar name is not, for example, Milvat, you can use the not here, and let's run the test, and you can see my test successfully passed. If you want to upside down the method, for example, is toBe. If you want to change this method, you can use not before the method. For example, you can say, I comment this line, these lines, and you can use the expect name, and here you can say toBe is a Laravel. For example, the name is Laravel, and not toBe, for example, Milvat. You expectation, and this name is a Laravel, and expectation, this name is not a Milvat. For to be short, that is, this string is not a Milvat. And one day, if you change this, for example, this name here, I for example change to a Milvat, here you can see the test correctly work, and yes. So here is a toBe method. So the next method is toBeBetween. So here we want to test, I comment this line. For example, the num is 2, and you want to test the num variable toBeBetween. Let's see. Between. So let's see. So let's see in the documentation toBeBetween. I think it's okay, but let's see. Maybe my ID didn't load this method. So, and say for example this method, this number is between of for example 1 and 3. So let's test and see. Does not exist in integer. For example, is a string or no? Let's see what is the problem. Let's copy this line and here. So I pause the video and find the bug and continue again. So it's very easy to understand why this method doesn't work. I uncomment this line and open the expectation file in the pest and search the toBeBetween. And because my pest my pest is old version and didn't work correctly and is not available at the, I think is 2.19, and I am updating my pest to 2.20, and here you can see the toBeBetween is available now. So let's test again, and I use the num, and you can use the composer update, and you can see here my test successfully passed. So also you can pass float, integer, or a date time. And let's test, for example, for 2.5, and you can see the test correctly passed. If I change to the 3.5, you can see my test is failed, and the value of the toBeBetween is lowest value and highest value, and also the message is not need to send this prompt. So let's use the datetime for use datetime for toBeBetween method. So here I remove this, or I can comment. So the expect date, new date time, for example 2023 08 and 20. So and also the low date is the new date time, and you can use 2023 08 and for example 15, and for high or highest date or high date you can use 20 here 25. Let's use the expected date and toBeBetween low date and high date. Be careful to write the low param at the first and the high date or bigger value in the second parameter. Here you can see my test successfully passed, and if I change this, sorry about my notification, Instagram notification, and if I change it to 16, let's see. Is the expected. I need to change low date, and you can see here my test failed, and so Here is the toBe and toBeBetween method. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any suggestion, you can write comment under my videos and or sending email. And also I am happy to subscribe my channel. It give me energy, and that's it. So until next video, good